பேச்சாளர்களும் அதே மாதிரி ஒரு ஆர்வம் உள்ள ஆடியன்ஸ் நமக்கு வருதுங்கிறது அது ஒரு நம்மளுடைய சக்சஸ் சொல்லலாம். இன்றைக்கு நமக்கு பேச வந்திருக்கிறது டாக்டர் சத்யமூர்த்தி. இப்பதான் சொல்ல முடியாது, அவரை பற்றி நான் வந்து இப்ப கொடுக்க வேண்டாம், நான் கொடுக்க போறதில்லை. ஒரு முக்கியமானது என்னன்னா, நான் இதுவரையும் இன்விடேஷன் அவர் பேருக்கு நான் இமெயில் அனுப்பிச்சது கிடையாது. நான் எல்லாம் ரீச் ஃபவுண்டேஷன் மாத்திரம்தான் அனுப்புவேன். இதை அவன் எந்த விதமான இதுவும் இல்லாம நிறைய ப்ரோக்ராமுக்கு அவன் தலைவர். ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். இது வந்து நமக்குள்ள ஒருத்தரா இருக்கிறதுனால ஏற்படக்கூடிய ஒரு அனுபவம். அதோட மாத்திரம் இல்ல, நாங்க வந்து அவ 3 மாதத்துக்கு முன்னாடி பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது ஜெனரலா அடுத்த ப்ரோக்ராம் எல்லாம் பண்ணணும் போது நான் ஆதிச்சந்திரனை பற்றி பேசுறேன் அப்படின்னு அவரே சொன்னாங்க. ரெண்டாவது ஆதிச்சந்திரனை பற்றி பேசுறதுக்கும் அகழ்வாராய்ச்சியை பற்றி பேசுறதுக்கும் இதை விட நமக்கு வந்து வேற ஒரு இதை விட பெற்றா ஒருத்தர் கிடைக்கான்னு நம்ம சொல்லலாம். ஒரே சின்ன விஷயம் அவர்கிட்ட நான் கேட்கணும்னு பார்க்கிறேன். இந்த விஷயத்துல நீங்க எல்லாரும் எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் ரொம்ப புரியாத விஷயங்கள் நிறைய இருக்குது அகழ்வாராய்ச்சி. ஒண்ணு, நீங்க அகழ்வாராய்ச்சி பண்றதுக்காக இடத்தை எப்படி தேடுவீங்க? அப்புறம் சில இடத்துல பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சு அது விட்டுருந்தது கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கோம். ஏன் மூணாவது, இதுல இருக்கக்கூடிய நுணுக்கங்கள் இதெல்லாம் எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் அகழ்வாராய்ச்சி ரிப்போர்ட் பார்க்கணும். உங்களுக்கு வந்து நீங்க கொடுக்க இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் எல்லாம் கொடுத்தாங்க. இது வந்து 1000 BC-ல இது ஒரு ஹாபிடேட் இருந்தது. நீங்க சொல்லிட்டீங்க, நாங்க உடனே அது கொஞ்சம் நீங்க ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கே தவிர இதுக்கான நிறைய விஷயங்கள் இருக்கு பாருங்க. நிறைய விஷயங்கள் வந்து எங்களுக்கு அவங்க ஈஸியா புரியாத விஷயங்கள். அதை வந்து எந்த இடத்தை செலக்ட் பண்றீங்க, எப்படி செலக்ட் பண்றீங்க, ஆரம்ப காலத்துல நாங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், எப்படி அது எங்களுக்கு தெரிவிச்சுன்னா ரொம்ப நல்லது. கேள்விகள் எல்லாமே அவருடைய பேச்சுக்கு அப்புறம் ஆரம்பிச்சோன்னா நம்ம ஃபேமிலி டிஸ்கஷன் நடத்த முடியும். அதே சமயத்தில் அவர்களுடைய விருப்பப்படி நீங்க வந்து நடந்த கேள்வி கேட்டு அவர் விருப்பத்துக்காக தப்பு கிடையாது. இம்பார்ட்மெண்ட் using the knowledge of the people. That is what I was, because as you were telling, even though so many people may be quoting archaeological survey or archaeological excavations, techniques, some of the techniques are adapted, and also why it is called as well as people like me doing some field work and publishing the reports only for archaeologists. Generally the archaeological reports are referred by archaeologists or by historians who write history. But for the public, what is the awareness? What is
other things. It is lying down or lying down. How the archaeologists are studying showers to get it back, and what is the necessity for getting it back, and what are the interpretations, other things. It is a very good subject. But anyway, it is very essential. The people of the public who are interested in Indian culture or Indian culture of the country should know something about the genius of archaeological excavations, and also the methodology, and also the necessity of taking the archaeological keys outside for writing the history of the country. But anyway, before going this cylinder, of course, why Earth is very important or interesting or significant for South India. I would like to say some at the outline, something about the historical perspectives of these Indian work, especially in this special context to India. Because, we talk about two cultures, either Harappan culture or come to pass on Japanese Iranian culture. We don't the question is to compare this Iranian culture or the heritage in the part of Harappan culture. But what happened with Harappa? Why Harappa was so important for writing the history of India? Because we know very well that is the Harappans were very civilized. They have got their own writing something which we are able to do. They have got their own art. They have got their own system of planning the houses. So many things, so many approaches in the business. It's just like metallurgy. It's making their own partners. But what happened mainly with that? They really fixed the name for Harappans. Only it became what you call it, BC to 1700 or 1600 BC. That is the period the Harappans developed and matured about 2500 BC. Or whatever we take between, we call it BCE now. Whatever we call it. Before the Amandina. So whatever we call it. What happened? They were very important busters of the culture. But from where they came, it's very origin for the energy only the places that the Harappans choose status in. Because they are finding, after the fall of these Harappans, suddenly this sounding with that or 1500 BC, where they disappear, where they were gone. It's not possible, particular glorious people who had for 1500 years or 1500 years of history, suddenly disappeared from the sea. Where they are gone. What happened to them? If you go to that, maybe if you get to the sea, from where they came, that is also important. So again, if you go to the foreign, the Harappa, that is present Pakistan is there. You want to go within and see this Balochistan and Afghanistan. There only, for the first time, during 1940s, 30s and 40s, that is J.K. Thakur and a few people who recognized the culture that was pre-running in this Harappan culture with these type of potteries, these type of cultural materials which were showing the improvement or the development in the status that by which the Harappans are pottery. So now, if you go to this, there itself could divide the 6 phases, that is in Harappan level itself, in Balochistan and Afghanistan area, you could see that the culture has developed for more than 4,000 years back, for 4,000 BC to 6,000 BC. That is the culture has developed slowly within various steps, various glorious artists have been made and that have been classified in the Thakur and others. So that is shown the way for the Harappan culture. So in the Harappans, that is completely disappeared. That is the problem is interpret or even decipher the what you call it writing whatever called not going to make all these things. But that is later on. That also could be solved later because of the very great archaeological research that was done mostly in Ganga and Uganda, where mostly the people could have come because some of the elements of these Harappans are seen in these people. Even though culturally, at the earlier stage, the researchers divided the Harappan culture separate from the Vedic culture of this, what they call Vedic culture of Uganda. That is the problem because they completely divided into two lands. That was Harappans are not Vedic cultures or whatever Vedic people were using the Vedic rites or Vedic people, but they were not even knowing horse, that was the area of the god. But we could find lateral plan, so-called plan of places where horse was also found. So the Harappans said this up. So that was not true. So it is to prove that it was not rather two different cultures. It is only the same that people go to this India, Central India, or whatever they call it, up to Yamuna and part of this. So this research has pretty new way of thinking because in post-independence time, what happened? That is, India was short of artificial sites. That was a great problem because Harappan and Mohenjo-daro have gone into the hands of Pakistan. It was suddenly that is thorough status for the archaeologists of India. They could not find what they were going to be. Two glorious sites of great sites of Pakistan. So then field work by all the archaeologists of this country. We could think about more than 300 sites or something like that. That's in India. Some of the sites even excel the findings of Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ekram, and then Lata, some of the sites discovered and explored also. And also, the extent of the Harappan site itself is not constrained only to
மைக் ஸ்டாண்ட் வச்சிருவோம் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கும் அதை வச்சு
but what happened to the people here? They're also, we are seeing the prehistoric people so living here. You go to the, especially the class. This was the place where these prehistoric people lived here. We got the Buddha on the side. We have got a site near Madras, hand axe institute, Madras hand axe, Madras schools, Madras industry. It was named by this great geologist of the medium Madras industry itself. So people started living, but whatever it is, civilization, what type of people living here in the Pakistan. But at that juncture only, that is the bounds about the science, that is the parts of it is around about 1850 onwards, the explorations have been done. As most of us asking, like in time. But how does the science is scientific? Modern days, we got so many methodology, we got satellite images have been interpreted now. What is so many modern methods, scanning can be done. So many methodology have come within this span of 15 to 20 years. Got a very wonderful equipment, and which you can go through both satellite images as well as scanning, helping you identify something about the data. That in those times, it was very difficult to find this time, unless otherwise there was something to substantiate, say, by finding of the ancient potteries over the surface. That is very important. Please, you know, the very please. What is the so, while there is ancient sites, where you find the ancient site, there is you to explore the areas, that is generally, there is not a project known as village building project. Of course, it is not done very well. It is done at least substantially in a good number of places, good number of districts where mostly big rivers are flowing. Then after rain you go, you can find the potteries. And see the potteries you contains kind of the Ankapata pottery artists. It was only with the pottery and with the archaeological background because when it started raining, what was the part of his life? Without pottery, he could not make his life a civilized or any culture. Because his habits, his social habits, his day-to-day life, everything depended only on pottery. Because the metal was scarce, used only pot for heating. Suppose you find in North India, you find only a great type of potteries, then you would imagine the man there doing only the dry, that is food, may not be the semi-solid or what you call it, liquid food. Because you usually chapati like thing, so the plates are found more. Even if you go to Maharashtra side, most people find only the plates, more than the dishes. If you come to some other side and find shower cups, then you will use a semi-solid food. If it is very deep, what you call parts of deep nature, then you think he was using liquid. So this is something the parties speak about the man's life, his environment, but so many things. And also the parties shows his methodology of preparation, his technology, and art, and so many things. The parties are very simple, but the parties speak more about the culture and his man, his nature of life. So when you go for exploration, you get a particular type of parties, then you will take it up, then you will come to a conclusion to present the parties in particular areas more. Then generally we select that area will be potential because when some civilizations was living there, that's why parties will come with due course of time with tectonic movement as well as with the rain will come up with the movement. So that we collect that was the whole methodology was done. Even now that is a very dependable methodology than the methodology of mechanics. Of course, techniques will tell you when you go ahead. But in parts now, these sites are being explored within 1900 some. In addition to that, some of the French archaeologists as well as some of the Germans also tried that. But it was 1900 onwards, what have sterilize features and planning, well planning and urban planning in India. Of course, used to use that is mining. If you take the materials, metals, or anything is available, you know they can use it. This is one of the ingredients necessary to cardiac civilization. And trade is important. The man is cannot, nomadic man can live away, or the prehistoric man can live away. But when the protohistoric man, historical place, used to make trades with others, it shows the commercial activities, and also crafts and other things which are necessary for the society to show the past practice. Of course, now this is a better group, the site also alone for the question. This is now it is in Tuticorin district, what we call in Zinandali district. Of course, I was thinking about this area restoration on the site. One is 1816, some attempts have been made by the music here. Friends and tenants, and then in 1004, 1904, in Alexander Ria, one of the areas to superintend archaeologist of the circle, the Madras circle, he identified the site and he excavated it, but the excavation technology has not improved so much as we are having today at that time. So that was a great problem because where the excavator is not recorded in site. Of course, the site, as I told you, is located on the banks of the Tamarabarani River. Of course, one of the located the 40 meters near Srivaikuntha. Of course, in Madras, it is about 68 kilometers. This is an area of about 140 acres. Of course, something is lost because of the range of the ground and as well as the railway also. Long is of 5 kilometers is north-south. Generally, we say the sites which are coming in the north-south, that is particularly to the seashore line, they are very potential because it withstands any shock, any flood from the other side of the sea. So it is not something in the small. Of course, it's a small thing is also there, or it's a temporary situation. Of course, these are some of the features, they are the features of the site. As I told in 1876, Joker from Berlin, he excavated the site and took out the grounds and also so many skeletons, more than about 2 dozen skeletons he has removed and taken to Berlin to do the theory, that is the evidence of separate race than organs, that was only to study on the race relation in destructive skeleton. But he could not find any difference of sustained cooking. So that was abandoned. Then again, the various comparison that came from Islamic came, they also excavated. They also again, they could not say, but he say at that moment, other countries, total gravity is maybe yes, but it is not a concluded one. But also he published the report of the long time. So Alexander Ria started that is after exploring the area, as I told you, he went through the river bank and discovered about 38 ancient sites. Of course, we are talking about only others in the world. There were as much as 38 sites which he discovered. Various places, static, there is a reason of this region of this Malaris, region of this excavation. Statically, he could not establish what is the sequence, how the people live, what type of parties were there. But he excavated and told, recorded all the materials and produced it. He has become one of the greatest civilization of South India and the master civilization of South India, from which other sites could not be developed. That is his finding. But he could not give a perfect date. He told that studies and examine India and no expensive in business practice that was in recording. He himself found is one of the greatest sometimes other business. His activities presented as opposite the Chinese specialized culture consisting of variety of iron, bronze and gold objects besides the value something. Because again, when we talk about the iron and bronze or brass, there is another probability in Indian archaeology. Actually, there is in North India, we get a separate scale in the what we call division between iron age and copper age. There we get the copper age first and then the iron age comes. Starting at this very defined. But in the parts of the traditional India, from Nagpur University to go, we don't separate the area of separate scale for copper or in other metals. We find one is moving to it, is the iron. So we don't separate what we call copper age or metal age or bronze age. We directly come to the iron age only in South India. Or most of the sites from the south of India have this feature. Of course, in these excavations you could find gold diamonds, so many objects like the reflections of marinas, something. But from where it got it? As it actually got it from bunches or as it came from habitational site? That was not known. Also, it was not recorded where it was excavated. But most of the objects excavated by him were all tiny parts. According to when we compare it with the other objects, more than 3,000 value parts you could estimate. So the people started linking as a value site only, which is what calls Budai Puri, that is Kalasa, like that. Even textbooks you could see like that only. But you don't change it by other estimates later. Of course, pottery, that was his great contributions. 25% of the potteries have no allied organisms. Means special type for this site only. 30% of the potteries are completely back again, not buying many things. 25 of the potteries is what they are buying distribution. So the 25% shows the individuality of the site. The personality of the site is different from other sites. It's established by the 25% of the potteries. It's already there. And then terracotta objects on the night is Sakara Supra and also some like polished glazed stone crystal that is show they were grinding the material to the music. Of course, some of the other activities like grinding stone and also it wasn't totally earlier to habitational site or something like this, but you could not give separately to give the separate list of textbooks. This is the area where, because he writes only center of the site, center of the ground area of Kerala, I could not find any evidence of that. Probably with the missing things I could conjecture that maybe the place where he was Kerala. Also later I found he has recorded like this to get a license. We returned a painting showing this area. We probably have excavated that. Of course, now necessity for me to excavate after 100 years. Why is this come? Because this given one of the greatest findings in this also the magnitude of the finding is so much not found anywhere in India. That is this finding. Also, yes, most of the texts could have not been that. It's one of the earliest site, 1000 BC is given. But for us, for archaeologists, after the development of archaeological field work in 1946, after Martin of Wheeler came to South India and excavated Archaeology, we got a definite scale or a data line by which we can divide the date of the earlier findings and later findings, because they are only for the first time he identified the pottery known as Andhra pottery, the particular type of pottery that's painted, is depicted back. It is known as Andhra pottery. It was found mostly in Andhra sites. Could not date it for a long time, so the sites could not be dated. But one of the sites at the Bimballi, the particular pottery was found associated with another pottery known as the rounded bag, which is another type of Roman pottery. The Romans came here, they were processing BC. So, Anta Kananagas came a date with those Andhra Party about first BC. So, there was a very table, so we started re-examining all the sites so that we can take it. So actually, by this estimation, that is, I could divide the section into barrier sites separately and also application separately. This is the beginning of the mound, top of the mound, then we start the excavation. These are the positions of the arms. Interestingly, we don't get it an outside area for excavation because only about 50 meters to the 60 meters, about 6 inches, because 6 inches would be. Within the 60 meters, we cannot aspect of this. The aspect across at least about 185 arms. Arms we get, that is for adding mostly the secondary measure, we got a percentage of primary measures also. The remaining measures are those measures, which is where the people, it is operates just to live in with the whole body. So we not make any changes. They keep the body in the part and body, that is primary measure. Secondary measure means either they expose it outside for a long time and collect the bones and keep it, or they even cremate it and collect the bones and cremate. That is secondary measure. Because mostly about in the second level, we found reverse a lot of primary measures in the area of the level. And top level, almost all are on the secondary measures. So, primary measures are only in lower level. These are the types of things and section showing you the different levels of the reactor. Because in archaeological context, if you go to megalithic period, you call it megalithic, and iron is generally associated with the megalithic period. If you see a megalithic means big stone. The stone is implanted, a stone circle is implanted, so in terms of that, you get only one barrier there. A man of the health of the body. There is not like that. It is a beam where the arms have been kept, there is hundreds of arms have been kept. I go to within this stone area 185. Means he has done more than that, about 500, 600. So it was a great city was there, man. Of course, we cannot expect that is a small village in the shores of Persia. But interestingly, the barriers also continue to be used for thousands of years. Because the canalizing table, there are many levels of canal, you come out of 1,000 years. So, this is the practice in European areas also. Only European areas are 4,000 BC. They used to cemetery a place and bury the people in the farm, hundreds of years, and then close the site at last. So, from long time. So, that practice was made here also. You can see different levels. Of course, so according to this thing, we are classifying into keeping the level. The part is also defined. It is medium level, what is to be required, middle level, integrated improved, the top level again is degenerated. So, all these things you should consider to give a date, as you wanted to know the date. The dates of the divide will be according to the types of the participation. Medium level participation, property, stone, beam, or handmade. Why in the middle level you find a very variated, there is some chairs used, very beautiful properties you can see. Here is an observation. This is the top level. As you open it, immediately get across this upper level because of some flutter or something that's an affected. You can see that these are the scientific measures. Then there comes some charred bones or something. Many associated things are written. These are another measures where you can see areas of parties with jumping the level of the parties. Of course, in the top level, very few others are they could find very few numbers of parties. Probably the subject have been abandoned for a long time. It is after 2000 BC with the limit that it stopped. But there are some modern buildings also, with the 100 years back, there were many, some of them are small. Mostly are disturbed conditions in top level. Probably because of the plant or something like that. Secondary benefits, as I told you, the area case, find the bush system, that are top level, the bush helping us to reconstruct some of the writings which is inside. Discovered. This is again another part that we talk about this we see. Different some claims are also there. Is to which the department saw. It is some common findings. Because the not take it because it is much contaminated carbon. Do not take it. We will carbon use together with some of the good items. This is the best that is very important in studying our Karina Maris. When you are having a coordination of jobs, mostly kept whether it is in the culture system, which was not earlier as a name or something like that, so that it was easy to keep it. It is a beginning here. This is a big, generally, if you go to a career, you make a good, keep the party. There was no necessary here, because already political pressure of that, you get the value, there is a part. That is contained, most of them are contained in the little limits of the man, and also the social things. And this is the new section, of course, talk about how it is affected by the time in this area, this is also one of the recently was affected. So we can see a career in the way. This is inside what is that speaks much about the concern we come to better. This is another problem that is how you find is that all the bones have been disintegrated. But all the little events for that, you can find this is love or something, skeleton, skull. Everything needed was just inside the body, but it was disintegrated because of diesel. Because as long as it is under the earth, without much pressure, it is atmospheric pressure will give it no air will enter, it will be done. If you some other reasons there is small or something that is disintegration, the carbon, what you call carbon aspects is the calcium that is disintegrated, the calcium oxide will be formed in the water will be disintegrated. So this wasn't about those years at least more. So it got disintegrated. These are some of the things that is wings, maybe jumping or something like that. So random objects coming from that. The value is something. Of course, the base too is very important because 60% of the hours are lacking in that. Of course, in economic context, you go, you get to see that collection members of the artery, which is there only for vital purposes. It is later on one side and back on the other side. It is what we call inverted firing. The firing, more oxidation should be taken to the outer surface than the inner surface when it gets two steps of water. The interesting aspect is that is the rounds of men, mostly throughout India, we don't do the weaker black and white party because the parties of the black and white are very thin fabric, very thin fabric. It is thin fabric used to give them the elasticity and as well as the plasticity and keep it for making. It requires high technique. So it is not possible in modern days that down and anybody can have that type of party. So 300 feet, 4 feet high black and white parties are there. That the type of parties are only about 1 foot or 9 meters in the other side. That is the specialty of this. Associated party of most of black and white is also similar to the miniature nature. Good number of iron objects. That is the central level, you get much iron and copper objects, metal objects. Show you that the culture was very much nourishing with that. This is inside, how to see. This is a bank of city. This is certain bank. The body with the kept the bodies, which is skull. Kept the bodies with the bank. So you have to see it in city. Maybe about 2,000 years. This is view of this black and white. This is just 3 diagonal, which is here. This is very still about below the people find any party. But here's the financial what we call windows. Sometimes doubling, sometimes shapes, covers the smallest part itself, half of the part itself, to use for the
சார் சார் ஒரு ஒரு சின்ன டவுட். இதெல்லாம் இப்போ இந்த 2004-2005ல நீங்க எக்ஸ்கவேட் பண்ணப்ப கிடைச்சது இதெல்லாம். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இல்லை இல்லை சரி கொஞ்சம் புரியல அந்த மாதிரி கேட்டேன். ஓகே ஓகே.
This is iron inside the dangerous tank. That is, you can see these balls, the tank, the cracks, disintegrators, collapses inside, and some of the associated parties inside. It is out of the top, as you are telling, very difficult to estimate inside because you don't have space to estimate. Because if you estimate here, you see, this is top of the alarm, this big top. And all associated things are here, they are getting to top level. If you go deep and get into section, if you get into section, another money is there. There is a problem with the algebra. Of course, one of is not yet Aravan. You work with one, again, night and time, because you use the materials inside. Of course, these are some of the references for the level. Of course, we take these barriers, alien and what they call second. It speaks about much of the practices which were found in that time. So these are the practices that existed in the area. Of course, so many things coming that so many steps. All one put them some mixture here. Of course, the best thing we find mostly double these are also there. Of course, the skeletal intellect has consists perspective important aspects because we are seeing the diagrams or these parties about what we not want to be in terms of what is us. But the man who is inside is about 5 feet 6 inches or 5 feet 3 inches. Normal height is 5 feet 3 inches. How he kept it was kept inside or just then kept inside. Nowadays, what is saying, we used to keep the body as well as in semi-conscious or lost. Some used to keep it. It was difficult to hold the body and keep it inside this small body. The height is about nothing more than the body. Of course, there are some evidences where they cut the handles. That you can also see. Somehow they kept it inside. So identity includes this area for grass. Grass is a type of organic material just like the lotus. So after this, they made the beads. The portions of the organic beads could be getting out of thousands of years now. Iron objects, black or small, black, all types of things. All of primary metals, all unsolved big ones, brass, or primary metals is very important in world. So about the type of parties. Of course, those two, their parts of comparatively small and this three, they more many graves they got, more parties they got, but latest are done. So the shapes like the bigger, different types of shapes are there, which we can compare or which we can say. This is very reference we are also calling unique style. Very few can be compared with other sets of something like that. Those three, top level, includes this shape like black, punished, black punished black. So one of the types of the bodies which were used in other size, but of course percentage as explored in earlier, only that we can find only 45% to 60% of the bodies how we are scattered and 25% of special bodies. Punished means is a different technique. I would say first you make the body, move it to the cavity, and then again break it, and that is the break it, then make it. That is, you really different kind of body with the bound. So this is the bounce. That is the type of bounce. Bounce is speaking more about the man's living. So we are developing first knowing how the bounce are used because bounce in the semi-solid food which man used. Bounce more bounce upon the man must use in the semi-solid food. upper level, middle level is about 110. This is 110 layers, completely of these on layers of the second level. These are some more ways to archaeologists understand and how to use this develop pottery. It can be used for keeping the set also, keeping some other techniques also. Glass. Because maybe also glass shows because of to speak the necessity of storing the water. So you give the nature also be very important. Of course, what is the importance of this discovery? Time to understand. That is very important. Because not like the lasers, right? It's a black and broad one. As I told you, black and broad, what is in association or in because it context that means we can find it in only miniature level. Because we find that it is all system about three important think that so there is a double barrier encounter. It is very important place too. Because husband and wife are coming together to party. Male and female, very excellent one. Male and female are very kept inside. Examples of that is never take also. So one day you find two weeks also. Maybe they show the position of the parents of the week. So definitely said that is one of the biggest art objects of commonality in the body. Which is thinking about 800 BC, where the 2000 BC to find already the designs have been made in the body. Well, books, there are some also books inside. Normally the body was kind of that. Books were also there, so also noticed by Alexandria. He never expected to find this more parties of this type. Of course, if you get discoveries of black and white answers, not first times, then I have to context. In context, you find the black and black, but not as arms. That is, 90% of black and white also used to have the secondary colors. Compared to the small size, the other vessels, most are made out of slowly, that is important thing, mechanically developed in some areas. Pottery, you see the neck of the pottery you tell, the technique how we apply. It is annual pottery, you have your offering designs. It is slowly, you need to have it slow lines, not a thick line. It is high speed and red pot is wheel is high speed. You can find minute details. Finger pattern check, it is very difficult to make a pottery of that type of thing. So thin that some fragments of slender designs like a teeth are also encountered. So these are the how the black and white so you say black and white. This is black and white. Again, black and white, different colors. How many parts are here? Use one value here, just put another value. You don't need to estimate these and go deep into this. This is the again black and white dark levels. You see the different levels and different shapes also. Same shape. These are the three levels. How do you do? These are on the top down and what you call it. When you cut it, again, you cut another part. When you screw it, this will cap to another part is another line of part is so 1, 2, 3, what is this? This is the three-colored barrier. This is very popular only in European context. In Indian context, there is very few. Because one is one and the side of Mangalu, Kerala, there are also three-colored barrier. So these are the type of continuously you practice for more versions of that. As you told, estimate is very difficult because you estimate you cannot find it. 7 You can go to the person. You can see them. Again, the story must be careful in the person. This is the better we understand. Because of things that we need to do in the process also. As long as the religious are inside the reality they are saying, once it is exposed to the person, it becomes immediate to start. You can see it comes from the car. Two different levels. Inside the body, it's how they can be inside also. You can associate that with that, the color, associate that people, whatever materials are used to keep it inside the body. How it is used to behavior too. This is a double barrel, which is a two skeleton, and one part, they kept it, the male and female, and they kept it inside. There is also, and I just to some of the size in the upper side. Upper side is also, because they have to used to be like, also some of the size in the upper side also. Double, the one with the double also. This is an interesting object, is just found inside the body. Now, when you take this small inside, you can see a beautiful object design is called male. You can see a female, that is the useful hand, that is just like a donkey or something like Arafat or whatever body. They do virtuous breast and also very narrow waist. And also he's putting a small skirt-like thing there. And also there is the first of the donkey, and there is what we call a thing here. There is designer there. Showing that this is should be able to set up the body. And also the previous thing, the ball is showing crane. And the crane is holding a fish also, indicating the narration. There is a very narrative color. There are very interpreted the story of the way it was made, how it is made. Because the fish and also the alligator shows. This is what they are observing of the narration taken place at the side of the river or the water body. It is very interesting and we can go to this already object carving made by man in Tamil Nadu. Because we can visit better because of this. We get the other things in the place to the better people. This is one of the various generating what means of Tamil Nadu so far. These are some of the things that we said. I don't know if it's given themselves with. But it's somewhere down. Of course, most of the acts of having greater events remains the third question that is very important. Most of the people have been kept inside. Some mental also just to also greater events. No orientation is not to be power. That is very important because some of the people find the orientation is very important in letter people. And the orientation means to keep the head in one side of the some side and outside. That is orientation. But that type of orientation is not for any of the this is can find again social designs in the society. What is self-development? What is self-development? You can make it practical. Of course, we will find the values inside. These are small parties, scale parties, associated with the main party. We used to keep such parties. These are also known as the back and the back. But some smaller parties are available in India. But the bigger ones are not anywhere. Of course, now, the difference Alexander does some range percentage in composite culture. First, this is a theoretical percentage will be barriers of technology. This is important because Alexander has shown the size as one of the important size, and he showed some cultures, so much of revolutionary things. But now, I could find only that is side of barriers only. So, barriers will be separated from the revolution side. Second is that we could 2005, there is another area that will find the applications of and this is the area where you have understood the bound because the virus are the other side, the group is giving the time. Something was running into the farm. That could not be confirmed as that was not having any data materials, also not well contact. Because this is the interesting skill that is of the answer. Then you are finding a new center of there is nobody the black and that were made like this one. You give a circular skill and the center passage is opening. There is to give more oxygen to the inner side than the outer side. This is the skill. There is probably the ashes which are finding development. Circular, with the circle chimney, which also copper cells which you are found. Then we find that the glass leaves, that is also some leaves, is scattered around. Normally this copper cell was used as a platform to make a hole on the beads, which are all having more small holes. No further remains of the site and also being that normally what we are seeing in the factor of the bead. So the killing is very interesting. Of course, the interesting aspect of this season 2 is season 1 where we estimated the value side. I mean, we could not find any gravity marks which are properly in other sites or other sites. There were all 9 parts, but season 2 what the gravity side was that we could find the gravity marks on the parties. But I am nowadays examining and writing a report down, so I am nowadays examining. Now, another important aspect is creative design, study of the theatre design. There are very few physical anthropologists who can study the theatre design because they will speak much about the race, much about the man's body, much about his habits also. So this could not be done by India. So Australian National Council Article came to this. Sri Lankan, now the settling in Australia, of course, immediately is moving in India, Tanzania. He came to the rescue and started studying. Of course, interesting aspect is the skulls are very important. Skulls shows the land's development. Most of the skeletons are about 40 to 50 years, but it indicates the land would vary at least 40 to 50 years already in the land, right? The bones and of course you see the bones of the top. It is bigger than the modern man. More than 40 mm thickness. It's more better than the modern man. Probably was having more natural blood. The skull was so thick, several diseases. Of course, this is one of the interesting skull, which is probably 3-eyed skull, because one eye is there, the other eye should be there, and this another starting about. And interestingly, not what we call it, God, because about this actually it is so soft, because it doesn't have any aperture. The eyes will have an aperture, not have an aperture. Probably is the abnormality of the man who use that. But again, it is a medical wonder. It is whether a man nowadays because some references from other Australia services yes also. Whether a man can live with the abnormality of 25 years. When the man died was about 15-25 years old. So this kind of abnormality shows that certificate of knowing to use it long without of course also see notes. These are another phenomenon. Generally, it's not a few words for the modern man. It's even more. It's also another interesting aspect that the Alzheimer man was different from the modern man, or what you say, identity of the Alzheimer goes back. Just not in that, once that you see the impressions example, most of the kids normally there was some kind of disease there. In this case, you could see what is one nasal bone. There was only one nasal bone. So two was thickness of the skull at times, I think, nowadays, the modern man is the Western system, is modern surrounding the same. That shows the oddness of the gene. So this is a very interesting aspect of this case. Lawyers of the name, teeth intact. Of course, again, the teeth speaks more about the man's habits and man's outlook. Of course, nowadays, we have developed modern technology by just like our fingerprint, you put the thing which can use the entire body of the man. It is common throughout the world. Now in India also, medical colleges, teeth is given as a separation. They will teach them they are going to make only teeth as what called not only fingerprint, but research is going on. That's interesting aspect of this thing is going on. Training to do the entire I just know, in the California school. Because this most of the things which you don't recognize, it's not having any more or to say that man is doing was thinking. Because he used such a food which was suitable to already sugar was not there. And so on this really clean. Some of the people clean, they used food, dehydrated food. That is the reason why it was not having this because it is completely available to the satisfactory factors. So God was about the most we cut. Is it due to any war or dispute or to keep the body inside that is the vertical structure? But the same one was taken to 3% kept inside. God said that it's not only a technique that is restoration, that is the modern man, indicating to our protest was not a small line that has known the world itself. That is the modern man. These are some of the things again modern. You could move the ear. It's socket in the ear. It is the man, some of the man that meant move the ear immediately as animals are doing nowadays. These are the modern. This is the future system in the mind and thought. Of course, some of the observations with skill of the man was operator about cleaning by 3 inches and made by 6 inches. It is already kind of man. Of course, the lawyer charge uses some contemporary business pictures of the female. Of course, the first thing to say is that females are having just like a modern woman. Very beautiful body, is controlling with the help of the skeletal device. Both secondary and primary practice in some of that. This is some of the conclusions. Secondary measures after purpose of the primary. In case of primary measures, disease process means border. In most of the cases, is border. Almost the breaking point. Dying before sugar was keep it like this or keep it at 90. In one case, the body was put inside the sitting position after the limbs were folded and tight, which we get having knocks also. The other period was like this, as we are doing. Two muscles in the same level. People also medium, two females start examining this these parts that when we talk about the letters, is you will find out the art. That itself, you have to boost the line itself. These are huge parts. There are so many minerals and materials and letters also. You should understand that writing is actually itself. There are essential minerals are found inside with the letters in some of the places in writing itself. However, it was the writing side. It's a compound. This is the actual word component. When the word was taken from their side and examined, you could find different types of example one, the second, for example, of course, most of the words is higher than word. I was brought from outside and smelted back. So, the words are not having a particular materials known as arsenic material, but when they make the component or the metal, they use what we call arsenic materials. You can see. This is arsenic. This is arsenic. Arsenic more than 6%. Of course, arsenic more than 1% is taken as the intentional adding of arsenic material into the component to make it most worthy. Arsenic is added to the any other, even modern days you are using it. But the interesting aspect is this arsenic has been used only in earth silver and in non-star. We don't find any other side having this arsenic as a component is added intentionally in the metal. The technology is, you can see, this arsenic is found in here, the technology where it happens as it is very technical. Of course, this is when arsenic is less than 1%, it cannot be decided whether it was copper gold or from these gold. So many gold have been added. The addition of arsenic to copper, the annoying movement was that is found not at first. You find that also 6% and 7%. Same again, 2% again. In the Indian context, after the advance, the use of an annoying movement was not very natural. In addition to arsenic, there is 1%. This is always of the copper, the 1 to 2 of this is the reason for adding arsenic into the copper. So, some of the other sites is Kodumana. We don't find arsenic here. It is added intensively. It is only 0.033. More than one means we take it intentional. Otherwise, it is a trace which automatically comes into the copper inside. You are also doing like coins, 0.021. It's again coming into of course, Dr. Allied isomers need the use of arsenic as an annoying movement, whereas it was completely absent in the calculating themselves in other parts of the submarine. It's also not only in Kodumana and Tamil Nadu. It's also in other states like what you find in North India also. Of course, this is the date the preliminary we got dating Gratia from Nepal. This is the royal dating. Yeah. This was given maybe said royal level in 1570. Nepal and 1770. Of course, this royal dating is a problem. We are now trying to get a human dating because royal dating is not taken as authentic dating in case of society so far. Anyway, it is given a scale for us to understand the admission nature of stuff, maybe from the various research and certain areas. Of course, was it can we call it as Indus civilization? Is it possible to call it Tamil civilization? Because you are having whatever you are finding there, more or less the same type of thing. Of course, evidence is not fully excavated. It is not so much to excavate. The area excavated is too small to excavate. But the composite medicine can be involved in the skills of assemblies of metals, particularly yoga metals. Excavators India assess the possibilities of urban background. It is important because in my excavations I do not find any yoga metal like popular political associations, population debate, the presence of the federal pools of university is important. That time we studying normalizing the harder materials, modern materials. They could try different types of at least 3 to 4 types of people live in that. That's really one of the metropolitan city of the Tamil Nadu, which you call it. Urban areas spread in genetic as we told in Kenya. The various of the total other campus that came and came in Lebanon, and also Qatar, and long night, and also after this. And this, also the areas are also called through South India because of the various of course, location of the something similar to the Arafat. Location similarly outside because I would now divide average separately with the various side. Information of the land that is also important. Barriers with the ornaments, as you see there also. Barriers and ours having a kind of research. Of course, barriers and ours are found more in Kaliman and here also are joint two man and female regular. These are some of the similarities with the parties. Of course, recent studies as you know, we are considered Gorilla as a German scholar. She came and studied, of course, not alien material, she would study and not. There is 25 sites of something that are besides are having the similarity material parties that are possible. Several papers of the scientific analysis shows spread over 25 chapters sets of data. Both of the particle shapes speak more about the culture. The man who goes to space, he takes the shape also of particle also to that particular area. So about 25 sites which he has identified. So from also probably there is people are more to the west. The government only had an indirect contact with the test that is also to be now because similarity is there in culture, not materials. We are finding some similarity in many nature. Which exists in the life of Tamil after the metallurgy module. But these are some of the things we say because as we are finding it Indus that spread along this line. Of course now the problem is as Ashley has rightly pointed out from the difference of Western India, the Mesopotamia as a base want to invest on the identification of parties. But now we have to see more with the available information of the so many sites. But another certain information is the division of the states that we will actually this meaning. Because we just say the people are all from near Karnataka or far away. Because so far the people are interested in there is a 80 man come only from Karnataka because community department, police department, so many types of parties in white painted black part and that party is more found in Karnataka sites, and so many sites. And the kind of parties are very few only in Tamil Nadu. So generally they said, so very few are found their names. The people are more people from that account. Only here. But now, in the next year, I find such painted black hundreds, thousands, dozens of thousands. I could not show you. Now we have documented thousands of designs that can answer for. All these, this well-painted pottery that is born only from here, Karnataka. And the women who are, because this was the main site, as Anthropology also was saying approximately tonight. That it was a metropolitan city, a big city. Of course, the Ottoman is still more the crossing of the port city. Probably the sea was nearby, so port city, crossing the port city. So different types of land, there is different types of skies you also see. So then from here, the culture would have gone. The problem, as I told you, if you throw this in some conference, many people in Canada also are going to of course, we have to prove it, we are proving it. So, this is the problem in Southern America. For the slaves divide, they don't want to be iron. Since iron is found here, this is also associated with iron itself and give a very vague the earth record. That is chromatic. But it is not like that. We don't find any lithium, no stone. And of course, it is stone should be there. We didn't find any stone many years after which we are making in the time. So this is a very important aspect. So slowly we are going through. And which we can say, the English side, which was three magnetic iron sides. Of course, about these aspects, after this, I do not take the calculation on one side. Yes, ultimately 38 sets. Among the 38 sets, how many do we know about one? After automatics, I don't know now, there's some water. Nobody is focused on those sides. We do more work on those sides also. I'm telling you this because this is very important for not only for the archaeology of Tamil Nadu, but the India of South India, especially traditional India, so that we can do a definite break to observe detail. If at all linguistically they could correct there is something or to place names or something through Harappa or those sites that are sites which are 60s. It is possible only through such windows or such pictures we can cover. So this is the problem which is a future and work that is more and also unconsciously and into the good research so that the alternative theory of is able to be done and good investigation to be done to take it of Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
தமிழ்நாட்டில் குடும்ப நல்ல எஸ்டாபிஷன் நடந்தது. அது எந்த வருஷத்துல? சவுத் இந்தியா, ஆந்திரா, கர்நாடகா, கேரளா அண்ட் தமிழ்நாட்டில். தமிழ்நாட்டில் மேஜராக இருக்கக்கூடிய எஸ்டாபிஷன்ஸ் வந்து அல்பமேடு, அதிச்சநல்லூர், கொடுமலை 3 தானே? 3. But what are the potential areas?
There are many. There's some sites of that. We've got Veerapatanam, also some restoration plan. And also Aranampuram, State of Single, there was one Aranampuram. So many sites are there.
Last question. South India இருக்கக்கூடிய 4 states, ஆந்திரா, கர்நாடகா, கேரளா அண்ட் தமிழ்நாடு. இதில் நடந்த எஸ்டாபிஷன்ஸ் are there anything that would converge? For example, பட்டணத்தில் வந்து எஸ்டாபிஷ் நடந்து இப்போ நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. Is there anything converging?
No, actually, you cannot divide. Now the problem as I told you, state-wise division of the language. Of course, the people who say we have got some alien culture, basically they come bounce on you on top. That research should be stopped. Alien British period, when Alexander came, when the Ottoman period came and estimated the Archaeology, he could find and give aid to the Andhra part. But because of his estimation to of course, now they divide it into stages also, and unfortunately, as I told you, converts are also coming. The attention on particular problem is not that. Don't have as a Mathematical Museum, as trying to give a background life for the something in archaeology. Now, such kind of research has stopped. Not good. Within Tamil Nadu, people because the state archaeology and central archaeology should join together. Central archaeology means excavations only limited number of sites. But the power of licensing center and all the applications of the state archaeology should go very central. The state government should have a policy. Before sending officer activity, they make a problem-oriented survey. And problem-oriented problem, there should be a problem. This is the problem. What is the estimate people say? And that is not done here. And that is the reason why after so many years, the unable to keep many organs and background of the
Thank you. 2 கேள்வி ஒரு அப்சர்வேஷன். நீங்கள் சொல்கிறதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டாக தெரியுது, ஆனால் பாதி எனக்கு புரியவே இல்லை சுத்தமாக. அதனால நான் எங்கேதோ எங்கே ஆரம்பம் எங்கேருந்தா ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் கற்றுட்டு தான் உள்ளுக்குள்ளே போக முடியும்னு தோன்றது. ஒரு 2 கேள்வியில் ஒன்று வந்து ஹரப்பன் சிவிலைசேஷனில் இருக்கிற மொஹஞ்சதாரோவில் இருக்கிற ஒரு சிலதுக்கும் ஆதிச்சநல்லூரில் கிடைச்சதுக்கும் ஏதோ ஒரு ஒற்றுமை இருக்கு நீங்க. ஆனால் அங்கே எல்லாத்துலேயும் வந்து அந்த சீல்ஸ் இருந்தது, அந்த கிளியர் வெறும் பாட்டரினா வெறும் ஒரு ஆர்ன் மட்டும் இல்லை, அதில் ஏதோ மார்க் பண்ணியிருந்தது. இங்கே ஏதாவது மார்க்கிங் உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கா? அது ஒரு ஒரு பொம்மை மாதிரி ஒரு படம் இருந்ததே தவிர அங்கே இருக்கிற மாதிரியான அந்த சீல்ஸ் அத்தனையும்
what we say, we don't say Harappan came and lived here. Harappan came and lived here, you cannot say unless those who find Harappan living directly here. This even in finding 1 acre, 2 acres, it will not do distribution of confusion. But whereas in the beginning itself introduction I told, the Harappans are spread from the Mula Valley, that is the Indus Valley, to the fall, after the fall of the cities, because of flood or any result, to the east. Like this was the very magnified or kind of the source civilization, which was having, that is whatever the Harappans had, you don't think, not the Harappans, like Harappans, is what we call the civilization, their parties, their way of living, everything that is, as I told you, is as they live. They have all the elements of the Harappans have this being up, and probably they are also going to go to the forest. That is the only thing you can compare. You cannot find the Harappan materials here. And to say, comparing this is compared with the Harappan materials, this will nobody will accept.
அப்படி சொல்ல இங்க எந்த ரைட்டிங்குமே ரைட்டிங்னு சொல்ற மாதிரி எதுவுமே இங்க கிடைக்கல.
Oh yeah, that's what we say. We don't say Harappans. Harappans, of course, this they even both area. ரெண்டாவது கேள்வி வந்து இந்த எல்லோ மெட்டல் அலெக்சாண்டரியா கண்டுபிடிச்சேன்னு சொல்றாருன்னு சொல்லுது. பட் நீங்க பண்ணப்ப வரவே இல்லை எதுவுமே அப்படின்னு. Isn't that actually we don't know where it is stored. There's another problem with Alexandria materials also. You have stored the main states in and around. You combine all the materials, of course, it was reported by one of the assistants to that. We published the report in 1915. Then starting another reports to the other reports here. There is mentioned that is Alexandria is found that is crumbled the materials and produced this one material. So we think that.
So can we extend saying that latest நீங்க பண்ண எக்ஸ்கவேஷன்ல இல்லைன்னாங்கிறதுனால probably they didn't have gold அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாமா? ஏன்னா மத்த உங்களுக்கு காப்பர் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. It is reported only from that way. It is not from this particular way. Another state nearby, not far away from this side. இல்லை ஏன் போல்டா வந்து நான் பண்ணேன் இல்லை அங்க therefore gold is.
He has reported now. He cannot deny this report. He has reported that.
We can question his report இல்லையா?
We should whatever person died up. Actually, rich man dies. That's also keeping one good thing. He used to keep a gold coin. What he found is gold coin. When a dead books come. So that shows this published the photographs. Of course, there is a doubt whether it belongs to that particular state or the other state. That continues for us. But I couldn't find here. That is I would have missed it in this particular period. Maybe I would have missed it limited in 60 by 60. The period is more than 1,000 meter. So many videos can be very. We also wanted to know why we need some area. Of course, under the principle concepts, only establish the boundary area. Let us say you cannot establish the entire side because you leave it for the future. Now technology is improving. Of course, these articles
டெரகோட்டாஸ் அந்த ஆர்ட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ்ல கிடைச்ச
not about unbiased continue to this school is second class. University is 28. We continue some practice, there is a practice of keeping the people even nowadays, even some part of the country, we will keep the body as it is. So we continue to practice. But what you find there is a little different because what the sites are, other sites, where we get the regulated bias associated with the non-bias. All the sites associated with the megas. But here, of course, I examined based on sites because I looked at reports of examining and so on. Whether there was an edit there, it is known. So there is no medical. The terms is better. But this predates all those things. And what I feel, because of its the standard and the bias of interpreting the particular case of later period, we cannot find the tired person. We can see tired person. We find only 1,000 books, better 1,000 books in Kerala, in non-family fighting. But now it's like according to us, people are not, but we still are tired. That shows the very ancient nature of the man. And when people moved away, they started only one ornament or one text. Now, in the late 18th, with Zara, with excavator, sometimes what you call it circular time circle. They got the rectangle game circle. It's interesting. So different types. It's continuous practice.
The humanities result carbon 14 dating. If they resort to carbon 14 dating,
We are trying to get away from the dating of Institute of Physics from Innovation. They must take the
இது
of course, major period go to the particular parties, the level of particular period, as I told you earlier, is Roman parties, when the Romans came, they got the one important parties. There is our person behaving. According to the history, they came here to and they took away the pepper and that is the given the environment and go into one and that. The particular parties is the emperor, There is our person in the area, person in that area, during the Western era. That particular party is formed. What is associated with that also belongs to the party. So the development there is a party is formed with that. Again, development party is formed with the Andhra party, so it is better. Certification is very important. The once one particular
certificate is the only means.
Not for the big developer. Optically stimulated photographs. Of course, TCS is not accepted internationally, but the world international conference did not accept it as a technique so far. Now we are trying to get it also approved, but the scientists of the work for it, because the archaeological studies of research is not archaeologist. We will critique of the research archaeologist. The interdisciplinary so many persons in the anthropologists and botanists, biologists are working on us. So many people have to work on it. The scientists are working to do that.
அதான் நானும் பார்த்தேன். தேங்க்யூக்கு அடுத்து இருக்கிறது தான் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஷாக்கிங்கா இருக்கு. அது ஃபுல் கீழே கிளிக் பண்ணா போதும் சார். கீழே இருக்கு பாட்டம்.
Muslim is not, Bible says, you want to find a going to read the religious freedom. football team தமிழ்நாடு நம்பிக்கை and the other important aspect is the team group. A very good team of the players. Aravani comes in Bangalore, you know Aravani. They are working on the teams, but the interesting aspect, as we also told, it is very difficult to estimate in the standard time, the different stands and what the back. But if you find something, you will be happy. That is your time is not
ஒரு நிமிஷம் அதை கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்க.
Because he has seen it, he is publishing last in the German Morris. He is publishing German Morris. But you know, you will give a copy of the article to him. Copper is mostly for bangles and some ornaments, not ear ornament or something. This iron is for knife, cutting knife, different types of weapons.
விழுவோர் தாழியின் புதைப்போர் தொடுமொழிப்படுப்போர்னு 4 கேட்டகரி சொன்னாங்க. தொடுமொழிப்படுப்போர்ங்கிறது என்ன ஹேபிட்?
We get it in Maharashtra, we get it extended in Charcoal sets. Thank you.
நம்மளோட ஸ்டேட் ஆட்சியாளருக்கு ஒரு பக்கம், சென்ட்ரல் ஆட்சியாளருக்கு ஒரு பக்கம், அப்படி 2 பேரும் தனித்தனியா பிரிந்து செய்வதனால வரக்கூடிய பிரச்சனைகள்.
அதுக்கப்புறம் அதுல இருக்கக்கூடிய அரசியல்கள், திராவிட அரசியலா இருக்கலாம், ஆரிய அரசியலா இருக்கலாம், இதெல்லாத்தையும் தாண்டி நம்மளோட சரித்திரத்தை நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டியது இருக்கு. அந்த ஒரு அற்புதமான ஒரு பணியில தன்னையே இருக்கு. இந்த சத்யமூர்த்தி தன்னோட அனுபவங்களை இங்க வந்து சொன்னது நமக்கெல்லாம் நாமளே போய் அந்த அகழ்வாராய்ச்சி செஞ்ச மாதிரியான ஒரு அனுபவம். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். தமிழ் ஹெரிடேஜ் ட்ரஸ்ட் சார்பா அவங்களுக்கு நன்றியை தெரிவிக்கிறோம். எங்களுடைய சிறிய பரிசு. உங்களோட இமெயில் யாரும் வரல அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா அந்த இமெயில் ஐடியை கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுவீங்க. கொஞ்ச நாள் அப்டேட் பண்ணாம இருக்கு, அதை கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா அதை அப்டேட் பண்ணி